So question 11 is about the ratio. So first of all, you need to remember what is the meaning of these two dots. This dot is actually means that divide. So for example, A to B can be actually writing as A divided by B. It's actually just a fraction. So first of all, we can try to change this thing to become a fraction. So I have 3n minus 2n divided by 4m plus 7n is equal to 4 over 15. So it seems like that we have nothing to do with. So we can try to using the cross multiplication because we have a fraction here. So we're using the 15 times the 3n minus 2n, and then using the 4n plus 7n times the 4. So now I have 15 times 3n minus 2n is equal to 4 times 4n plus 7n. And then again, we have two brackets that we expand the bracket to see this is actually equal to 15 times 3n, giving you 45. 15 times negative 2 gives you negative 30. So I have 45n minus 30n is equal to 4 times 4n, giving you 16n. 4 times 7n, giving you 28n. So this is 16m plus 28n. And then try to write it here so that we can combining the m together, and then we put the n together. So which means that we're moving the 16m to the left hand side and moving the negative 30n to the right hand side. So now I have 45m minus 16m is equal to 28n plus 30n. So that we have 45 minus 16 giving you 29. So 29m is equal to 58n. So now I don't want this 29, so I move it to the right hand side, becomes divide. So I can change, becomes m is equal to 58 divided by 29n, which is m is equal to 2n. So this is the relationship between m and n. And then after that, we can just comparing this one because they are asking you to calculate what is the ratio here. So just write this ratio in terms of a fraction. So now I have 2m plus n divided by n minus n. So this is equal to, seems like we have nothing to do with, but from this condition, we have the relationship between m and n, isn't it? We can change every single m to become 2n. You can see there's an m, there's an m, so we can change them to become 2n. So 2 times 2n plus n divided by 2n minus n. So on the numerator, we have 4n plus n, giving you 5n. And I divided by, on the denominator, 2n minus n, giving you just a single n. So this n and the n can be simplified, can be cancelled out. So now I have just equal to 5 to 1. So writing in ratio is just equal to 5 to 1. So the answer should be equal to D.